According to a recent Wallet Hub study of the happiest states in America, Florida fell in the bottom half, coming in at number 29. And within that study, we had one of the highest divorce rates. Family legal issues are never easy to talk about. And here today to give us the ins and outs is board certified family attorney Abigail Beebe. Good morning, Abigail, and good to see you. Thank you for coming in. It is never easy to talk about, so let's talk about the trends. And that feels like a weird way to say it, trends, but maybe the status of divorce today in Florida and our area specifically.
I think in general, the rates are rising. I know that in history, it's always been 50%. Everyone says the number is 50%, but I think in my experience, I think around here, it's more like 65% of couples end up in divorce.
So what's going on there? Why the increase, and why that in Florida or South Florida?
So I think my opinion is that more and more women have more equality financially in all ways, and so staying married in a not great marriage is less appealing when you can live on your own. So in my opinion, I think it has a lot to do with women reaching more equality across the state, and having jobs equal to those of men, and so I think that creates a situation where it's easier to walk away.
Maybe, people felt a little trapped when the economy kind of went south in 2008, 2009, and now it's bouncing back. So how does the economy, what does it have to do with divorce?
I think from what we see mostly is when the economy is poor, not only do people stay married because it's less expensive to have one house than two.
Yeah, right.
They also are having, it's harder to sell a home, which is sometimes the largest asset for couples. And so I think overall the trend does tend to rise when the economy is better.
All right, quickly, because we're almost out of time, but what about the kids? How does it all work when it comes to custody, child support, alimony?
So we don't use custody anymore. In Florida, we got rid of all of the nomenclature, so all the words, visitation and custody. So it's called time sharing. And there's definitely a trend reaching more people wanting to have equal time sharing. And I think in our area specifically, we have a lot of households where one or both of the couple are able to accommodate picking up homework, sports, extracurriculars.
All right, so what is the advice you would have as a divorce attorney for making a successful, happy marriage?
I think the quote is, don't make a mountain out of a molehill.
Good.
So pick your battles and only pick the good ones.
All right, yeah. Honey, I hope you're listening. No, okay. Great information. Thank you, Abigail.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. All right.